Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Weber grills, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Weber grills, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Weber grills from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Electactic 3-burner propane gas grill with side burner. The Electactic 3-burner propane gas grill with side burner is the ultimate outdoor cooking companion for your BBQ needs. Featuring 3 powerful stainless steel burners and 1 side burner, this grill delivers a total of 37,000 BTU, offering precise heat control for perfect grilling results every time. The built-in thermometer ensures accurate cooking temperatures, ideal for grilling steaks and preparing side dishes. Crafted from durable stainless steel and featuring porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, this grill is designed for longevity, with rust and crack resistance for all-season use. Its spacious 373 square-inch cooking area, along with a 142 square-inch warming rack, provides plenty of room for your grilling creations, perfect for family and friend gatherings. The easy-to-clean design includes a pull-out oil pan to collect grease and food residue, while built-in wheels make it simple to move. Assembly is quick with clear instructions. Elevate your grilling experience with the electric gas grill. Number 2. Captiva designs 4-burner propane gas BBQ grill with side burner. The Captiva designs 4-burner propane gas BBQ grill with side burner is perfect for BBQ enthusiasts who want superior heat retention and durability. Featuring upgraded porcelain name-inked cast iron grates, this grill combines the benefits of traditional cast iron with enamel coating for even heat distribution, non-stick performance, and enameled flame tamers ensure optimal cooking conditions for all your grilling needs. With a spacious 510 square inches of total cooking area, including a 360 square inch primary cooking area and a 150 square inch warming rack, this grill is ideal for family gatherings and parties. The higher cooking height, 35.5 inches, makes grilling more comfortable, eliminating the need to bend down. Cleaning is a breeze with the full-size slide-out grease tray and hanging grease box. Plus, it's a rotisserie kit compatible with larger cuts of meat. Enjoy professional customer service and worry-free grilling with Captiva designs. Number 3. Master Cook 3-burner barbecue propane gas grill. The Master Cook 3-burner BBQ propane gas grill is a versatile and practical choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Featuring 3 stainless steel burners that provide 30,000 BTU per hour. This grill ensures powerful heat for all your grilling needs. The integrated piezoelectric ignition system allows for quick startup with the simple push and turn of a control knob. The grill boasts a durable stainless steel control panel, a built-in thermometer for precise temperature control, and a stainless steel handle for added convenience. 2 foldable side tables provide extra workspace, while the heavy-duty wheel casters make it easy to move and store. With a total cooking area of 471.8 square inch, including 339.8 square inch. For cooking and 132.8 square inch for warming, this grill is ideal for preparing meals for family and friends. Whether it's for your backyard, garden, or balcony, the Master Cook grill is the perfect addition to any outdoor space. Number 4. Char-broil propane gas grill 4-burner with side burner cabinet. The Char-broil propane gas grill 4-burner with side burner cabinet is the ultimate addition to any backyard BBQ setup. Powered by liquid propane, this grill reaches high cooking temperatures quickly and maintains even heat for perfectly cooked meals every time. With 435 square inch of primary cooking space, you can easily grill up to 24 burgers, 20 chicken breasts, or 12 steaks. Plus, the 130 square inch warming rack keeps food warm while you continue cooking. This grill features a 37,000 BTU rating and a 10,000 BTU side burner, perfect for cooking sides, sauces, or even brewing coffee. The stainless steel Chef's Delight tray ensures that delicate foods are cooked just right without falling through the grates. The large side shelf provides plenty of space for plates, tools, and ingredients, while the Gear Track system lets you customize your workspace with handy accessories, ideal for grilling enthusiasts who love convenience and high performance. Number 5. Napoleon Rogue Propane Gas BBQ Grill with 3 burners. The Napoleon Rogue Propane Gas BBQ Grill with 3 burners is the perfect addition to your outdoor cooking space. Featuring 3 powerful burners with a total of 51,000 BTUs and 425 square inch of grilling area, this grill offers exceptional heat control for everything from slow roasting to high-heat searing. The porcelainized cast iron cooking grids ensure even heat distribution, providing the perfect sear and retaining moisture for tender, flavorful food. With a convenient range side burner, you can prepare sauces or side dishes while grilling, saving you time and space. The durable black porcelain enamel lid and stainless steel control panel stand up to the elements, while the folding side shelves make it easy to store in compact spaces. Plus, the battery-free ignition system ensures you can fire up your grill instantly with a quick jet of flame, perfect for any BBQ enthusiast looking to elevate their grilling game. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.